introduction. This video will explain the SQL introduction. SQL was initially developed at IBM by Donald and Raymond in early 1970. This version is called SQL Structured Query Language. Was designed to manipulate and retrieve the data stored in IBM original relational database management. So that was the first structured query language which was developed to manipulate and retrieve and operate on IBM relational database management system. SQL is a non-procedural language. It means you cannot create a procedure or module in a structured query language. SQL used for access and manipulate the data in database. SQL is an ANSI, American Standard National Standard Institute standard language. That was the institute which defined the standard for structured query language. Why need of SQL? SQL is required for perform the following operation on the database: to create a new database or tables, to insert any record in the database, to update record in the database, to delete a record from the database, to retrieve the data from the database. All these operations, insert, update, delete and retrieve the record in database, you can perform through the SQL. So SQL was designed to perform all these operations. A database is an organized collection of related data about any topic. That is the definition of database. So every relational database must support the structured query language. So structured query language must be supported by all relational database. Feature of SQL: SQL is not case sensitive language and doesn't differentiate between lower and uppercase. You can write your code in lower and uppercase. Every command in SQL should end with semicolon. SQL can also called as a sequels. It is an ANSI standard language, that is the institution which defines the standard for any language. So some unique set of rules and guidelines called syntax. Some basic guidelines related to SQLs are as follow. SQL is not case sensitive. Commonly SQL keywords are written in uppercase. Reserved and keywords you can write in uppercase. You can write a SQL statement in one line or in multiple lines. How? We will see in our upcoming videos. SQL depend on a relational algebra and tuple are relational calculus. These two main concept on which the SQL depends. So initials relational database using a concept of relational algebra and relational calculus. So SQL support both these concepts, relational algebra and relational calculus. Limitation of SQL: SQL does not support looping and conditioning statement, just like other languages Java, C, C++, which support the looping, loops and conditional controlling statement, just if else switch statement. So SQL does not support these two statements. In SQL you cannot execute more than one statement at a time, so it increases the network traffic. One command at a one time will execute by the SQL engine. SQL always give the system defined error message when user perform any wrong transaction. When user perform any illegal operation, SQL will prompt a defined system error message. SQL does not support the code reusability. It means you need to write, insert, delete, update, select command each and every time. SQL does not support a procedure language feature such as a code reusability and modularity and some other feature of OOPS, object oriented programming. So you cannot use a code in future because it does not support the functions modularity in SQL. To overcome all the above limitation, these are the limitation which we have studied in above. So all these limitation overcome in PL SQL PLSQL was the product of Oracle, which support all these above limitation in PL sequels. SQL is divided into a 4 sub-language: data definition language DDL, data manipulation language DML, transaction control language TCL, and data control language DCL. So these 4 sub-languages support the following commands. DDL support drop, rename, create and alter and truncate command. DML support select, update, delete, insert command. TCL support comment, rollback, save command. DCL grant and revoke. These are the main 4 sub languages which support SQL.